Hi everyone. So I got some surprise from Wish.com today. So I want to tell about that in this video. So from Wish.com, I have tried to use Wish.com after AliExpress got banned in India. So I don't have any other option other than Wish.com. So I have tried few things in Wish.com. So first I tried one watch which was costing around less than 100 rupees. So yeah, actually it was not it got cancelled automatically. It was a limited deal, so I didn't got the deal and it got cancelled, and I got the refund after 2 weeks. So uh, so because of that I have ordered two more items. One is one night vision glass and another one was a small tripod. So I don't want to try that Wish.com first. Like, so I have ordered some cheap item, like this costed around 100 rupees, again 113 rupees, and the tripod also was very less costly that time when I have ordered. Now it is showing 300 rupees and plus 82 rupees shipping, so total 382 rupees. So when I have ordered, it was also less than 200 rupees. It was the cheapest tripod I have seen in Wish.com. It was also, that cost was also free, only we have to pay the shipping charge at the time. So the tripod looks good, and I got a very good review also, so I have ordered that. So yeah, so you can see that it cost around 180 rupees for shipping, and that item price was free. So I have ordered this item on January 20, and I'm doing this video after 1 month. Now I got one a post from our Indian post service. So I'm going to unbox that today. So as you can see, it was shipped after 2 days after I purchased, and on February 6th it's showing it have arrived in India, and it was expected around delivered on 18th of February. So today is before 18th February, and I have received this item yesterday, like 15th January and February. And yeah, so I think it's time to unbox this video. So I think this video length will get little more bigger, so I will create another video for unbox this video. So I still waiting for waiting for that night vision glass. So that one also saying that it will arrive on 18th February. So I will wait for that. And this is the package I have received from Wish.com. So yeah, so you can see delivered to India, and Wish.com is not banned in India like AliExpress, so we can still order from Wish.com. So I will create an unbox video for this package on the next video. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe if you are not subscribed. Thanks.